Before we get started, make sure you hit subscribe so you never miss my quick productivity tutorial. Today I'll show you how to check your Calendly appointments and keep your schedule perfectly organized. Whether you're coordinating meetings or avoiding double bookings, this quick guide will help you stay on top of everything. First, open your browser and head over to calendly.com. If you're not logged in yet, click the login button. If your account is connected with Microsoft, you'll be redirected through login.microsoftonline.com. Just enter your Microsoft email and password, and Calendly will sync directly with your calendar to ensure everything stays up to date. Once logged in, you'll land on your Calendly homepage. Right at the top, you'll see an overview of your upcoming appointments, giving you a quick snapshot of what's ahead. For a more detailed view, click on the Meetings tab in the navigation menu. This section shows a complete list of all your scheduled events, including the date, time, and participants. If you want to dig deeper, head to the Scheduled Events section. Clicking on any meeting here reveals more details, like the meeting location, video conferencing link, and any special notes from participants. This makes it easy to prepare in advance, especially if you're juggling multiple appointments. And that's it. You now know how to quickly check and manage your appointments in Calendly. With everything synced through Microsoft, your schedule stays efficient, conflict-free, and stress-free. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment if this helped you out, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tutorials that keep your calendar running smoothly.